In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. A favicon is the tiny icon that shows up in the browser tab, bookmarks, and shortcuts on mobile devices. It's small, but it makes your brand look polished and easier for customers to recognize at a glance. Start in your Shopify admin. From there, go to Online Store, then Themes. You'll see a list of your themes, including the one that's live on your storefront. Click Customize on the theme you want to edit. This opens the theme editor where you can control the look and feel of your store. Inside the theme editor, look to the left-hand sidebar and find Theme Settings. Depending on your theme, it might appear as a tab or a gear icon. Theme Settings is where global design elements live, like colors, typography, and icons, so it's the right place to set your favicon. Within Theme Settings, look for the option labeled Favicon. Some themes group it under a logo or branding section, so if you don't see favicon right away, check there. Once you've found it, click to open the favicon settings. Now upload your image. Click Upload Image and choose the file from your computer. For the best results, use a square image, ideally around 32 by 32 pixels. Smaller sizes render more cleanly in a browser tab, and keeping it square prevents distortion. PNG or ICO formats are recommended because they support sharp edges and, in the case of PNG, transparent backgrounds. If your logo has a lot of detail, consider simplifying it so it's still recognizable at a tiny size. Initials, a symbol, or a bold mark usually work best. High contrast also helps it stand out against both light and dark browser themes. After the upload finishes, you'll see a preview inside the editor. If it looks off-center or fuzzy, try a cleaner, higher contrast version at the same dimensions. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right of the editor to apply your changes. Saving is what actually publishes the favicon to your storefront. Give it a moment to appear in your browser tab. If you don't see it right away, it may be due to browser caching. A quick refresh or opening your store in a new tab typically does the trick. And that's it. You accessed your theme customizer, opened Theme Settings, found the favicon option, uploaded your image, and saved your changes. Your store now has a professional branded touch wherever your site appears.